Don't smack the avocado!
What's up guys? It's the
Mal&Bella
channel.
Was I meant to say channel too?
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry. I know.
What's up guys? It's the
Mal&Bella
channel. So guys, we're going to be doing a challenge. Now we saw this on TikTok. Actually Bella found it and she showed me, and it was a really interesting idea, and that is remaking noises that, you know, it could be anything, using your mouth and try to make it as close as possible. And also we're going to also try to challenge each other, see who is the best mouth maker.
What? Mouth maker.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Tyson, say hi to the camera.
Go.
Scissors, paper, rock.
That means I get to choose an object and make a sound out of it, and then he has to recreate that sound using only his mouth.
No. This sound?
I can't, it's so bassy.
So, this sound?
Shut up, Malcolm.
Here, you want to make a beat for us?
Okay, who's doing it?
Okay, hit the table. Say, do it again, sorry. Okay. It's like a beatbox is about to go down. No, wait.
Again.
Okay, go again. I was thinking of that Korean guy like makes like you know noises with his mouth, beatboxer.
Oh, bro, if you can find that video, insert it, because he's so good.
Yeah.
Again, that was a fail. One more time. What is that?
That sounds like something else.
Don't smack the avocado. Wait, again. How long does it have to
No,
be?
like just make the like noise.
Go. Louder, baby. No bad, it's okay. Wait. Actually, that one's good. That was pretty good. Wait, no, that was bad. What was...
Not doing the rest of it. There we go. Oh, stop doing that.
It's changing.
That smells nice too.
Lavender. This ASMR shadow now.
And the...
No. What is... What are you, a car? Alright. You're done.
Challenge round, last round, let's go.
It has to be hard. Your turn.
Okay.
The most accurate wins.
Okay.
What the frick is that? Go. 2, 1.
Tick, 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 tick. There you go. Anyways, so that is it.
He likes
of
that.
this
Sorry.
So that is it for this video. Obviously this is a short, small challenge that you can do. Go ahead, go get some friends, maybe some family members, and play it and see who does it well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
and obviously we'll bring more content to the Mal
And Bella
channel. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.